Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to repeat a run on Runna. All you need to do is come here at the bottom panel, click on plan, and then just click on the week you are currently in that you want to repeat a run for. Then all you need to do is come here and first untick this completed box, okay? And now once we've unticked that, just go ahead and click on that run. And then all you need to do is click on start workout, choose whether it is going to be an outdoor run or a treadmill run, and then you begin that run, okay? And connect it with your Bluetooth if you have that available, or you can just start the run as such. And it's really that easy and simple, and that is how
This laps 5 minutes walking warm up.
as you can see, that is how you repeat a run on Runna. Really that easy and simple.